This is not just a celebration of Biotecnica's success. This is a celebration of the success of all the torchbearers of biotechnology across the world.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up.
Thank you so much for being there, and this is a celebration of you all. The future which we are going to build for all of you is going to be fantabulous. I had a dream. 19 years ago, me and my co-founder, my elder sister, Neha ma'am, came up with this idea that biotechnology is new in our country and the world, and there are so many people studying, looking for careers in biosciences, life sciences. There must be some platform which will guide them, support them, nurture them, show them the way and help them get to that path. We created that bridge. We decided to be that bridge which will help many freshers walk past through and achieve success in their career. That day and today. As I stand in front of you with the 19th anniversary cake, let me tell you that this is not just a celebration of Biotecnica's success. This is a celebration of the success of all the torchbearers of biotechnology across the world. Today, I can proudly say that every biotech lab in this world, you walk into any lab and ask, do you know Biotecnica? And they'll say, yes, I am a subscriber of Biotecnica. Last 19 years, the legacy which we built and the future which we are going to build for all of you is going to be fantabulous. Now, today I'm not just here to talk about our achievements. Today I'm here to tell you that Biotecnica is here to launch amazing things, not just for biotech, but for many other allied subjects as well. When we built Biotecnica, many people from IT, chemistry, medical technology, medical doctors, pharmacy graduates came across and asked, why can't we have something like this for our field? And that's where we slowly started building other platforms. We built Rasainika. Today we also have Biotecnica's global arm, Biotecnica CRO. But today, as I stand in front of you, let me announce that today we are launching our brand new platform, Pharmanica, for the world. The same thing what we do at Biotecnica, but for pharma graduates, postgraduates, and PhDs. You will not be left behind because now the family of Biotecnica brands stand by you. But did I not say doctors? Hey, you are not left behind. Doctors think that you have to just go, to a clinic and treat patients. What if your one work can treat millions of patients? That's where emerging careers are there now for medical doctors. So they should not be left behind. So we have Meditechnica. And now coming to Biotecnica, I am on the hunt. This 19th birthday, I'm on the hunt for the super fan of Biotecnica. Are you the super fan of Biotecnica? Our team will contact you. There's a form in the description as well as comment section. Please go fill it out. Tell me why you think you are the super fan of Biotecnica. And if our team finds that you are a super fan of Biotecnica, we are going to award you with amazing goodies, including 100% Watson scholarship also. So I'm on the hunt for the super fan of Biotecnica. Are you the one? Let me know in the comment section. Now, coming back to what we are doing at Biotecnica. There are millions of mentors, subscribers, as well as learners. At the same time, people behind the scenes who built all of this, and of course, people who are daily coming in day out from morning 8 o'clock till night 10 o'clock. We are always open. Monday to Sunday, Biotecnika is open to serve our subscribers. Our newsletter is being sent for last 19 years free of cost, and we'll keep doing it for perpetuity as long as we exist to help every Biotecnika subscriber and student achieve the right opportunity, jobs, exam alerts, scholarship alerts, and much more through our platform. I and our team will keep coming up with new videos, guidance, mentorship, opportunities for all of you, and Watson Scholarship and many such scholarships of the future are going to happen, which will help you, empower you, support you to move next steps in your career. Now, as we speak here, I'm also proud to tell you that in December first week, we are going to come up with the International CRISPR Congress, which is going to be powered by AI, and we are going to invite a lot of international scientists to talk in this particular event. And all our Biotecnika subscribers will get an opportunity to get into this conference, and all the details will also be shared with you on this channel. At Biotecnika, we firmly believe that every child is important if they reach out to the right teacher, right mentor, and right opportunities. So let's cut this cake today by not just saying that happy birthday Biotecnika. Let's celebrate this for every subscriber who opened our newsletter, who attended our webinar, who participated in our workshops, who attended our courses, every student who got a job through Biotecnika, and everybody out there who is going to be the future subscriber of Biotecnika. Thank you so much for being there, and this is a celebration of you all. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Biotecnika. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Biotecnika. Happy birthday.